Lutheran Church of the Risen Savior, video number 2, Fellowship Hall audio visual. This is the next session, which is a little more in depth than the general first session. I'm going to talk about the microphones. I want to talk about replacing the batteries and charging the batteries. This is the front of the system. The feedback suppressors are all blinking and working. Here's the 12 microphones that are like this in the back. On this one here, this is microphone 6D, so I'll go up here to 6 and D. I turned it off. I'll turn it back on. Comes on green. If I press it momentarily, it goes red, which means it's muted. Regardless of muted or on, it shows up here that I have a signal and how strong the battery is. It shows 2 bars. When you get down to 1 bar, it's best to replace the batteries. So I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries. So first I'm going to turn this guy off by pressing the left button till it goes black. It's off. Now we're going to walk around back. And to replace the batteries on these microphones, can you see me okay? What you have to do is unscrew the base, and that's this guy right here. You unscrew the base. I'm going to set it right here. You pull this open. There are 2 rechargeable AA batteries in here. I'm going to pop these 2 out. They come out fairly easily. There is a pouch here that says dead batteries. So when the batteries are dead, you put them in there. And then somebody comes around, usually me, and puts those dead batteries into the battery charger. I'm going to take these 2 out because they're charged. So if I grab dead batteries out of here, and if I go to the battery charger, this right here says the plus is up here, the green is the plus. So if I pull the little lever back, I can get these batteries. You can do 4. And then down here is a timer that charges the batteries for a fixed period of time. You need to turn it around to about the 4, 5, or 6. So here's the pointer. I'm going to turn it about 1/3 of the way around. And when I do that, the battery charger lights up and it starts charging the batteries. So far, so good. So let that go. It'll charge the batteries. To replace the batteries in here, what I do, there's a battery charger here, and it's set for rechargeable batteries. And what I do is I test the batteries that I'm going to put in there to make sure they're good. When you put the batteries into the tester should light up. So I'm putting them in here. So the tester lights up. It says, I have enough power to test, and then it tells me how good it is. So this battery is full power. Let me grab the next battery here, put it in here. It lights up to say I got enough power to test, and then it tells me how good it is. So this is a fully charged batteries. So I'm going to put the little charger down here, and then if I look at this, want to go out where there's more light? I can show you. If you look at the base of this guy, there's springs on the end for the negative and none for the positive. So I'm putting this in negative to positive. This is critical. Fold the flat down, make sure it goes down flush, and then put the base on. Here's the base. Screw the base on. You push the button. Now if I look at this, I see all 3 battery bars, and if I look at the front for this microphone, 6D as in dog, if I look over here, it shows 4 battery bars. Okay, so it's fully charged. Now there's one more piece to these microphones. If these microphones ever don't work, and the numbers inside the screen here don't match what's on there for the same microphone, you have to rematch or repair the microphones. Want to do it in this video? Show you real quick how this works. To repair a microphone or reconnect a microphone to the system, you have to take the base off. It's back and it's on. You hold this like this, and you aim the microphone at the front of this thing, and you have to press the select button on the microphone at the same time as you press the select button on the channel that you want to put it on. So for example, if I want to reset this microphone, I will press select, and I will press select, and it repaired it. It didn't change the group or the channel because it didn't have to. And now that microphone is working on that. And you can always tell if a microphone is connected by the lights up here that show you that you have a connection. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn everything off. End of video.